Alright, let's get real about BioRevive Cut Xtreme. Is it the miracle fat burner you've been searching for, or just another overhyped scam? I spent weeks combing through hundreds of reviews on Amazon, Trustpilot, and even the official BioRevive site, just to get you the real scoop. Here's what I found. First off, BioRevive Cut Xtreme is definitely not a random shady supplement you find on a sketchy website. It's all over legit retailers like Amazon and the official biorevive.co.uk. That's usually a good sign. So, does it work? Well, a lot of people say yes, especially when they're using it alongside a solid diet and exercise plan. I kept seeing words like extra boost and helped me lose stubborn pounds. Some even raved about steady, crash-free energy that kept them motivated all day. But, and this is big, not everyone's experience was perfect. Some users did mention jitters, headaches, or feeling anxious, mostly because of the caffeine. And while a bunch of folks noticed serious appetite control, a few felt nothing at all. The good news? The company is transparent. You know exactly what's inside: L-carnitine, green tea extract, caffeine, B vitamins. It's vegan and made in the UK, which a lot of people felt added to the trust factor. Now, compared to classic weight loss scams, like fake celebrity endorsements or sneaky free trials, BioRevive Cut Xtreme doesn't play those games. What you see is what you get. So, is it a scam, based on real user feedback and where it's sold? Honestly, no. But is it a magic pill? Also, no. If you're hoping for overnight results without changing anything else, you'll probably be disappointed. Want the full breakdown of the ingredients? Or curious about how it might interact with your current meds? Drop your questions below. I'm here to help you make a smart choice.